In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments when emailing invoices from QuickBooks. Let's begin right inside your QuickBooks online dashboard. Make sure you're signed in and on the home screen so you can quickly create a new transaction. From here, you'll use the main Create or New button to start an invoice. This opens the standard invoice form where you'll prepare the bill for your customer. Choose Invoice from the menu, and QuickBooks will bring up a fresh invoice page. Before we attach anything, take a moment to fill out the important details. Select the correct customer, verify their email address, set the invoice date and terms, and add the products or services with accurate quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes. Clear, complete information here helps avoid back and forth later and keeps your customer experience smooth. Once your invoice details look good, it's time to add your supporting documents. Look for the Add Attachment option on the invoice screen. Click it, and you can either browse your computer to select files or drag and drop them directly into the attachment area. This is perfect for including things like signed estimates, purchase orders, timesheets, or photos of completed work. PDFs and common image formats work well, and descriptive file names make it easier for your customer to understand what they're opening. After your files appear in the attachment list, make sure you enable the option to attach them to the email. In QuickBooks, there's a checkbox or toggle labeled Attach to Email. This is crucial. If it isn't selected, the files will only be stored with the invoice inside QuickBooks and won't be sent to your customer. Take a second to confirm each file you want to send is marked to go out with the email. If needed, you can remove or add more files before moving on. With the attachment set, click Review and Send. QuickBooks will show you the email preview, where you can double-check the subject, message, and the list of attached files. Confirm the invoice looks correct, the customer email is accurate, and the documents you added are listed to be sent. This quick review step is the best way to avoid missed details or incomplete information. And that's it. You opened QuickBooks, created your invoice, added your supporting files, ensured they were attached to the email, and moved to Review and Send. Keep your attachments relevant, clearly named, and reasonably sized for a professional, frustration-free delivery.